I wish I had some sunglasses. Might tie on a spinnerbait in a minute. Oh, that was awful. Come on. Might tie on a spinner, crankbait in a minute. What's up, guys? I'm not having much luck, so I've put on this little cotton cordell lipless crankbait. So I'm gonna try it out. Probably not gonna catch nothing today, so we'll try it out though. I seen a striped bass blow up out there in the middle of the lake or river. I'm just getting some cast out there. Keeping it at the top of the water because there's a lot of trash in this water. Maybe a bass will take it. Or something will peck at it and get hooked. I can't really get a far cast. I'm just gonna reel it in slow. Pop. Hits.